sauce did you put?
The sauce is the rempah, like rempah.
Oh, then you put in the sotong.
Yeah.
Sotong po is squid.
Squid.
Chinese. This is called Chinese dish or Malay? Malay dish. Rempah. Sotong tumis. Medyo sweet po siya kasi may ketchup. Ketchup, right?
No, no ketchup.
Oh, no ketchup. Sambal. Sambal po yung para sa atin ay dinailan ba yun? Tulachan. Tapos may yung onion, chili, and then garlic, onion, blend together. Then ito na yung pinaka-sauce. Sarap siya. Yummy. Part we will put the pad thai. Pad thai is a Thailand seed from Thailand, minumukbang para daw yun sa kidney. It's good for kidney po siya, guys, kung alam niyo. Kung may nakakaalam niyan, pad thai. Meron siyang lemon dip. Thai lemon dip. Masarap siya pag may ganun. Kaya may pinaka-special dish ni Madam.